Since last year I had been following this course to make better videos, and the last part of the course was a live day, but it had to be postponed due to COVID. But finally today I am able to follow this last part of the course. And because we have our most probably last summer day in the Netherlands, I decided to hop on my bike to get here. We already had to prepare 2 possible videos, so I wonder if I will get some more tips and tricks on making videos and if I will be able to shoot the videos I've prepared. Hi, I'm Uriel, and together with my husband and best riding buddy Johan, we have been road tripping through Europe for the last 20 years. And now we are setting up Crazy Rides because we want to share the fun of road tripping with all you bikers out there. Wow, that was a fun day, and yes, I did get some more tips and tricks and was able to shoot 2 videos. One about our planning tool and what it will be like, and one answering a question about booking accommodation. If you don't want to miss these and our future videos, you can like our page on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, or even subscribe to our YouTube channel. But now the true fun part of today starts. Riding back on my bike, avoiding highways. So let's go crazy!